How to enable emergency SOS messaging. This tutorial shows you how to quickly call for help by pressing your side button. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Safety and Emergency from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Send SOS Messages to open the settings. At this point, turn on the toggle next to Emergency SOS to enable the feature. You may also tap on Auto Call to enable auto call with the text. Following this, choose how many times you need to press the side button to trigger SOS, either 3 or 5 presses. From here, close settings once you've confirmed your preferences are saved. At this stage, to actually trigger it, press the side button quickly the number of times you selected earlier. Keep in mind, this feature works even from the lock screen, so make sure it's set the way you actually want before relying on it. Finally, test it once in a safe moment, so you know exactly how many presses and how long the countdown takes. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable emergency SOS calling, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next